In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export MP4 in Davinci Resolve. First, launch Davinci Resolve from your desktop. Once it opens, either create a new project or open an existing one you're ready to export. Make sure your timeline is set up the way you want, clips trimmed, color and audio finalized, so you're exporting exactly what you intend to deliver. When you're ready, head to the bottom of the screen and click the rocket ship icon. This takes you to the Deliver page, which is where all exporting happens. Think of this as the final stop in your workflow, where you choose your format, quality, and destination. At the top left, you'll notice a row of preset icons for platforms and formats like YouTube, Vimeo, ProRes, and H.264. These presets are shortcuts that pre-fill many of the export settings for you, which is helpful if you're aiming for a common delivery format. For a high-quality general-purpose file that works in most places, choose H.264 Master or one of the YouTube presets, like YouTube 1080p or YouTube 4K. The H.264 Master preset is great if you want broad compatibility while keeping control over basic settings, and the YouTube options are tuned for quick uploads without extra tweaking. Next, set your file name. Type the project name clearly and consider adding a version number or date so it's easy to track revisions later. This small detail can save a lot of confusion. Choose your save location by clicking Browse and picking the folder on your computer where you want the file to go. Select a drive with enough space and, ideally, good read-write speed for faster exports. Keeping a dedicated exports folder helps you stay organized. Under the Video tab, confirm your resolution and frame rate match your timeline. For example, if your timeline is 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames per second, mirror those values here. Matching these ensures smooth motion and avoids unwanted scaling or artifacts. Set format to MP4. MP4 is a container that pairs perfectly with H.264 for maximum compatibility across devices, operating systems, and platforms. This choice ensures your video is easy to share and play almost anywhere. Now click Add to Render Queue at the bottom of the Settings panel. Your export job will appear on the right in the render queue. Finally, start the export by clicking Render All. Keep Resolve open while it processes. When it finishes, you'll find your MP4 in the location you selected, ready to watch or upload. That's it. Clean, compatible, and ready to share.